for the first thing. Okay, I don't know what is taking this so long because this is unzipped. Okay.
Quick question. Are
So,
we going to have a break in the middle, or we're going to have continue until the end?
sorry?
Are we going to have a break in the middle, or we will continue until the end of the workshop?
Let's finish this and we are having a little break. Okay, let's finish this step. Okay, copy and okay, let's put it in step by step. Okay, I think I forgot this one. Okay, so put it here and now unzip and here, no, here we're going to install. Okay, and we're going to see if everything is working. So, okay, everything seems to be working. Let's check if it's so. So we're going to remove this in order to get rid of TIE. So let me check that that concludes. Let's get the credential afterwards. So if Renchi, how long we do this? 5 minutes?
Yes, 5 10 minutes, and then just allow everybody to catch up with you. I think
Okay.
maybe they're slower in terms of the permission or other things, and they're catching up. And give them 5 minutes, and then you can answer questions. Have the rest, and we can catch up.
Okay. So see you in 5 minutes. So let's put this here in order to. I'm going to mute myself, and I will follow your cue. Ahora.
Renzi, what do you think we can start back?
Yes, please. I think we are ready, and since everyone
Okay.
keep them up.
So, okay, let's continue. So we're going to deploy the no, we need after before that we need to get the credentials. So we are going back to here to any other console. We're going to IAM. So let's go here and we're going to go to users. Here, users. Wow. So please select your own user. Don't select anyone, any other else. So we're going to do that. And we're going to click on it. So we're going to go to security credentials. We're going to create a new key. So download, you can show this, but please, I recommend you to save it. So in order for simplicity, I'm going to copy and paste here, and we are going to go to AWS configure. So I think my browser needs to be reloaded one more time. So let's go to puzzle this here, AWS configure. So we have to puzzle this. Okay, first is the access key. Okay, so we're going to puzzle here, and we're going to puzzle the secret. This, as soon as I close this, you won't have it again. And we're going to select, for me, is AU Central 1. I recommend AU Central 1. So I prefer YAML, so I'm going to put YAML. You can put JSON. And we are already signed in. So the next thing we need to do here, okay, we're going to close, is to create the registry. For the ones who are not familiar with that, a Kubernetes, no, a Docker registry is like a repository, but for Docker images. So we're going to create a private registry. So this is Elastic container registry. This one. Don't confuse with the container services. This is container registry, and we're going to repositories. So okay, let's go to pipeline. Well, what happened here? I think someone delete. Okay, let's go Amazon. So here. Oh, I thought that someone had deleted the repository. Please do not delete this, because you will lose the capabilities of the simulation. Well, that's only a jump scare, but nothing else. So we're going to create a new repository. Going to do it private, and we're going to do. I recommend it to put here. Let's put workshop 01, and we're going to put the username, because you will see a lot of there. So let's check if we, and now we need to create the repository. So as you can see, Cappy, Mr. Cappy is also did the repository, and if I refresh everything, everyone else, we will do that. So if you enter the repository, you have the view, the push commands. So this is the ones we need to do. Let's see if I am following the order. Because, yeah, this is the ones we need to. Well, sorry for that. This is, it's going to go here. This is the one we need to copy in order to get the credentials. So we're going to allow this virtual machine to access our repository. Okay, so now we are, we can create the repository, we can create the image. So let's go next. And we're going to create the node, the ROS nodes. Let's go here. I'm going to show you a little bit of the, what is the Docker ROS image. What do we have in here? We having a ROS node, a very basic one. So we having, this is the ROS one nodes, and we having a talker and a listener. This is copied from the ROS examples, and we have a Docker file. We're going to use ROS melodic, and we're going to install everything we need in order to compile this ROS node. So let's go and clone. I'm going to do this step by step because I'm going to, sorry, this is not the case. I'm going to clone this one. I'm going to enter. We're going to copy here. So CD here. And we're going to put some variables. This is the registry. Let's check. This is okay. This is the same. Okay. So, and this one, we're going to change it because this is a general example, and we're going to change it with the data we have here. So in order to, we're going to put it what we have here. This is, let's go here and copy, and not caps are on. So let's go. I'm going to try not to write it because of the some mis. Okay, this one should be having lowercase. Okay. And now I'm going to pass on the next one. This is only for tagging the image in order to push the robot here. Okay, and we can do the build, but we're going to be a little bit creative, and I'm going to edit something. So go to SCR and ROS node example, go to SCR again, and let's go to the Docker PI. So we're going to add a little bit of a special, instead of hello world, I'm going to put hello world, my name, Guillem. You can put whatever you want, and with, you can save, you can use B or whatever you want. So if we go back here, let's go and copy this build, and we're going to tag the image for the repository. So it will take a little bit of time, but not too much. It's going to download the ROS melodic core, and after it's going to install the building tools, the build essentials, and other things they need to for building the package, and it's going to compile it in order to use it. So we're going to install a little bit of tools. Nothing fancy here, but so we are okay. I think it's almost finished. So we're going to do a ROSDEP update in order to know if these things require an extra dependency, but it should not need anything. It's like a safety precaution, but everything is ready here. So we are going to compile. We're using, in this one, we are using Catkin. You are using. Okay, we have the image here. So the image is here, but how can we use it on a cluster? So we're going to tag this thing in order to have the proper name. I'm going to echo this thing in order to see. So this is the name we need to put here. So now we need to push it to the registry. So we're going to push, and you see we are pushed the image here,